Go grab your boots. They're over by the door.
I need my boots.
Yep, let's put your feet in them. We are still living in this trailer. We are at, what, 7 months now? I'm getting a little old. Other foot, here you go. This one. However, we're working on a big project today because, you ready to go out? We are working on a big project. We have been going to the laundromat to get all of our laundry done since we've been here, which has now been about 3 months.
Next step, we are gonna insulate this floor. I'm just using some rigid insulation and I'm gonna spray foam the seams and put plywood on top. Bing, bang, boom. All right, so we got the roof on this thing. The floor is down. So now we're gonna build some walls so we can put the siding up and protect this thing from the weather. So I got the first wall going up right now. I'm gonna use this 4x6 as a header and a top plate for this section. Not sure if that's standard, but that's what I'm gonna do. Mabel, what are you doing?
Stapling stuff.
You putting the home wrap on?
Yeah.
All right, do you find the stud?
Yeah.
So now what do you do? Nice.
And we built this, originally it was going to be a deck. And then we thought a little bit more about it and decided that we were gonna be a significant amount of time in winter, which we weren't used to in California. And so we were gonna make this into an enclosed mudroom and we would put our laundry out here. So this is now our addition to our shed house. But I think it'll be really beneficial because we can also put our freezers out here, at least until we have somewhere else to put them. So we're gonna have our laundry right here. And by the end of today, the goal is to be able to do a load of laundry.
Come on, we can do it.
Do you think we can make it?
Yeah, I think so. I already got that window framed up.
You ready to go milk? Let's go.
It's not good.
Put your book down. Let's go milk. Up. She knows where she wants to go. She gives us a lot of milk. And this is our new routine. Do you like milking time? Somebody doesn't want to be done with milking. So we are getting used to getting milk every day, and we're just not quite there yet. So what the problem is that we have too much, but that's not a problem because these guys love milk. A little extra protein. So if we can't drink the milk, then the pigs drink the milk, and it feeds them. It saves us some money on feed. Looks like we got a little bit of frost. Do you guys like milk? Oh, they like digging in the mud. What are you guys finding down there?
All right, so this wall we're adding a window last minute, and so we just reframed in the window, and now I'm gonna wrap it with house wrap, install the window, and hopefully get the siding knocked out.
Labor Day?
Labor Day sale.
We got him at a Labor Day sale. And so they've been sitting inside of the shed for a couple months now, just staring at us.
Begging us to install them.
As we went to the laundromat.
Alright, so let's move the washer in.
Well, I should say that we are going to finish this room out, and we're going to insulate, and we're going to add drywall and finish it all out nice, put flooring in. But we're not doing that right now because there's other priorities, and right now we need to do laundry. Check it out.
It's a washer and a dryer going at the same time.
Oh, we did it. 7.5 months on the road.
At laundromats.
Oh, I never thought I would miss my laundry so much as I did over the last 7 months.
Do you think we already paid for these and the money we spent for the laundromat?
I don't want to think about it. The laundromat is really expensive. We did it.
We have laundry.
You have no idea how excited I am. We used to have laundry at our home in Healdsburg, California. And then we went on this road trip. And well, 6 people on the road doing laundry at a laundromat. We spent about $30 a week. Right?
Yeah.
I did the math. It was 33 weeks that we've had to use the laundromat. $30 a trip, at least 3 hours.
Yeah. It's a lot of time.
So what was that math?
It's like almost $900. A little more than $900.
And what's 3 by
Actually, it's
30?
$999.
So it's like $1,000. $1,000 over the last 7.5 months at the laundromat.
Yeah. 90 hours.
Okay. So we are done with the laundry is running. We are washing our laundry and it is wonderful.
Big step.
Check.
Boom.
What's next?
All right, so now we got to get these houses finished out before it gets cold.
Winter is coming.
So we're working on the tile and finishing the girls' bathroom, and then we're gonna work on really pushing hard to finish their house out completely. In our house, we're gonna get a buck stove. We found one used around here, so we're gonna work on moving that into that house so we can keep that house warm and keep working on it.
We figure that if we can get the girls' house done, which means that they can move in there and be warm and have a heater, they have a mini split, then we can, as long as we have the heater in our bigger house, we can work on that in the winter. But we've got to have somewhere to do the laundry and for the girls to sleep and be warm before the snow comes.
That's right. Oh, and we need a custom door to finish that laundry room out.
Oh,
because the ceiling height is not standard.
no. Yeah, I think the big push is before winter comes to try to make sure we can do as much as possible on that. We have some finishing touches. We got to do the trim, seal up the windows and paint.
Oh, painting again. That'll be fun.
We have a lot of new people here.
Oh, thank you guys. Yeah, that's awesome. Thank you, Soda Land.
Thank you for coming with us and being with us as we figure out this whole adventure. We'll see you next time. at myself.
You're supposed to look, where's the camera again?
Right
Over
there.
here?
We'll see you next time.